Hey guys, how's it going? How to summarize research papers with Scholarcy AI. So first of all, go ahead to the official website of Scholarcy AI and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Click right here, summarize first document, right? So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click upload files. If you have it as a PDF or a Word, you can just go ahead and click upload from here, or you can just go ahead and click choose files from here, right? And summarize your basically your degree, your file. Let's say for example this one, right? As you can see right here, we selected this file, and you're gonna see right here the settings, number of key findings, 5 summary links, let's say 400 words, and then hit import. And now they're summarizing my document, right? So I'm gonna wait for a few moments until they summarize the document, and after they summarize it, you're gonna see the key highlights of this document, right? And as you can see right here, Amar Adam, criminology, recently graduated from high school and I have acquired excellent communication skills. And as you can see right here, the key findings, right? The objectives and the methods, the results, as you can see, not applicable because it's a different kind of files. But if you have a different kind of files and you want to apply it to this scholarship, you can do that on your own time. And basically that's an example of how you can do it. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.